This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need 3 essentials before starting: signed-in account, working mic/camera, and calendar access. First, open Teams and verify audio and video in the device settings. This avoids delays. Once done, go to Calendar and choose New Meeting or Meet Now to begin immediately. Add a clear title, set time, and add required attendees so everyone gets the link. Make sure to select the correct channel if you want the meeting posted there, because that shares context and files automatically. Next, control the meeting experience by configuring options before or during the call. Open Meeting Options to decide who bypasses the lobby, who is a presenter, and whether recording is allowed. This prevents interruptions and keeps control where you want it. Then, prepare your video. Choose background blur or image and pick the video layout that focuses on content. During the call, share a specific window instead of the whole screen when possible, and use chat and raise hand features to manage questions smoothly. To finish, summarize decisions aloud, post action items in the meeting chat, and make sure the recording and transcript are saved to the meeting thread so everyone can review. Once done, download attendance reports and add concise meeting notes to the channel or calendar event. That closes the loop. If something goes wrong, first check device settings and toggle mic or camera off and on. If issues persist, rejoin the meeting or switch to the Teams web client, which often resolves driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.